welcome to today's class. So this video will be shared into. I'll be doing this for makeup artists, a makeup brand, or should I say, yes, let me just use the word makeup artist, and one for more like a hair salon. Just two different. I know they're mostly related because some hairstylist does makeup and some yes, hairstylist does makeup and tying of gele as well. So I'll just show you two different flyers for it. Yes, and I already have my logo design. I designed already, just something simple. I just put together just for this tutorial only because I don't like using actual client names because I don't just feel it's better I just use a figure, just some imaginary work. So as always, I have everything I need here except my logo. So let's find it. Okay. Okay, which is my logo then? Distribute. Yes. Sassy's artistry. Sassy's artistry. Some simple like that. Okay. Let's get started. So I have something in mind, but let's see if it's going to work. Okay. So not exactly sure, but you can see this. So let's just try this. Okay. If it doesn't work, then we'll try another method, just in case. But we'll go over to max. No, before that, yes, max. Okay. This is the rotated basically. I want to reduce the size of it. Okay, better. And let's arrange this now. Okay, gradually just to get a curved edge here. No. Okay. Alright, let's see how it looks like. Then tap on out. No. Let me make a bit of pencil, make a little bit of adjustment. Okay. Let me Do this again. Okay. All right. Tap on this to adjust. Cancel. Okay. It's not exactly giving me what I want. Okay. Alright, I think this would do. Increase this a bit. Okay, but I think I should reduce the or bring this down a bit. Perfect. Let me go over to max. Again, I make a tiny bit of adjustment. Okay, perfect. Lock or not yet. I will have to change the color for this. We'll be using black. Go over to stroke, and I need some sort of gold kind of look for it. I hope that is good enough. But let me just remove the stroke, and I need this to be in front. The images I'll be using for now. Okay. It's supposed to go behind the actual work. Let me lock this because I do not want it moving unnecessarily. Okay. Right. So I'll lock them now. Then let's move this up a bit. Okay. A little bit of adjustment. Move this. Okay. I'll copy this again and change the color. So let's see, just select color from here. Excuse me. So okay. No. For some reasons, the color isn't really giving me the vibe I want. I think the orange, this is really sharp, so I might just have to reduce this a bit and see. No. Sometimes going with colors can at the end the yellow is a lot cooler, but we'll see if we're going to make changes or I should just keep this at red. Didn't know red hurts a lot. Wow. A softer color would do. But for now, let's leave it at this. Like I said, we might end up doing changes. So the background color, something like, okay, let's do this for now because that other color hurts a lot. So I would bring this out and bring it to the front. I have to change the color because the color I used for my design was black. Sassy's artistry. So I want this looking like this. Look. Okay. Then I'll get circle because I need to add some things here. Copy. and bring it down a bit. Let me use my grid at this point. I do not want it going overboard. Okay. Let me put this at the center. Right. 1, 2. To move this. Okay. 1, 2. Or should I take it back? 1, 2. 1, 2. Remove this one. Okay. Look. So I'll use my texture to get the image I want to add there. Right? So texture. So while we were gone, did I got to the other circles, added pictures to them, and I changed the background to a lighter form of our primary color. So I haven't spoken about primary and secondary colors. So the primary colors is basically the major colors you use more, or the color you use most in your design. Yes, while the others could be secondary color, like it's there, you just use it to add a little bit of touch and things like that, right? So I used the lighter shade of it for the background, just a little bit light. Just I already had it, like I used this color, then I went over and just no cancel, made it lighter like that, and that's how. Then I added a little bit of shadow to the second background, which is the one with the second, this particular one. Let me bring it to front so you see it, to this one, right? And let me take it back down there. So I added a little bit of shadow to it. Yep. No. Shadow, yep. So I needed it I put the blur radius as 25, offset x as at -1, and offset y at +1. Then black, I just moved it from here a little bit forward because I don't want it to be too visible. So if it's here, this is how it looks like. It's covering that, and I do not want it to look that way. Just want it this way. So yes. So I have something here that I would like to add to my design. Unlock it and okay. So I'll crop it because I just need a little portion of it. Or should I just go back? Or I just need some part of it, and this is quite large. Let me go over to eraser. So another way to erase things is tap on this weird looking shape there, and I'll just take the square. So oh, let me do that again. Second and the square. Okay, and tap on the first one, right after the square, the circle, then the fourth one to your right, and the second one to your left, if you know what I mean by that. But that's it. Then tap on this, selected, and here we have it, just what I needed. Okay, I need it behind the circles, so perfect. So I'll copy this again and move it here because I need it behind the circles. Okay. No, no. So put it like this and select it. And move it a bit. Right. And lock. That is it. Just a little bit of spice. You could put it in between the others as well if you want, but you could easily get this from Google. Just download them, search for dots png or polka dot png, anyone but dots png, you'll find it there. Right, so for the last piece, or not entirely the last piece though, let's just add styling. um Name fixing, time, just a little etc. Okay, there you have it. Bring it down here, change the font. Okay, make sure it's at the center. I need space between the words, so I'll go over to spacing, tap on words and move it. Then put this at the center. Put it make okay. And put it at the center now. So just a little extra circle. That's quite tiny. Okay. Let me reduce this. Oh, it's really not easy getting quite the small circle. Okay, that's right. So I have to copy like, let me edit this. Spacing the words is really, or should I just write giddy? Okay, but it has to be at the center now again. Okay, copy 1, 2, copy it twice. Tap on this one and move it. Let me just bring it down here. Okay, center and to the bottom. Okay, and for the last piece, this. And lock. So I want to merge it. I'm not supposed to, but I feel the need to merge it. So I'll merge all this and my text. Right. And it's there at the center, so I lock. So lastly, we'll get, okay, I need this now. Bring it to front. Then I'm going to crop it. I really hate unnecessary stress. So just to make my work a lot faster, I try to just do all of this in one place and do the necessary editing when I want to, but I have to copy this and keep it safe, right? Then go over to erase color. Erase color. Right, change the color to no. Oh boy, that's quite harsh. Just right. I think I love this. Reduce the size, bring it down. I want it to be at the same point as this. Then lock, copied this before, and I'm going to crop it so you see the entire thing shows. Then do this. Then go over to erase color, enable, just to remove the white part a bit. Then I change the color to this, or just to make it balance. I need to check the size for this. 9%, 7% height. So I go over to the first one, 9%, 7%. Sometimes it's usually small, so I just leave it at 10, 7%. It's almost the same thing. And bring it down here, then move it a bit. So look. So type Facebook, just imaginary. Don't forget this is Sassy's artistry. Alright. The test size is just right. So okay, it's not right anymore. Reduce the size. Okay, I might change the color. Then this a bit, and just add a little difference to it. So put it at the center and bring it to the bottom. Okay, and we're done with the first phase. So let's see if I could use something from all of this. Does that match what we're doing? No. Let's see. Okay. But I want to reduce it a bit, so I'll go over the color filter. Perfect. So just a little spice to it, but yours mustn't be like this. I'll be sending orders to the group as well, so you could do whatever you want with it. But just this is just a basic simple style. Phase one for it. And please do not forget to save your images as well, PNG, and saving it at ultra keeps your at a higher quality, your images at a higher quality. So well, that's it for Salon 1. So we'll be doing the second flyer design for it as well. I will be using same images, not different, just different design to it. Thank you.